Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best easy close cabinet hinges is probably one of the most underrated yet essential upgrades for any kitchen or home, transforming the everyday experience of opening and closing cabinets from a potential source of annoyance into a smooth, silent, and satisfying action, preventing those jarring slams and protecting your cabinets and your peace of mind. Number 5. Decobasics Soft Close Cabinet Hinges. Introducing Decobasics Soft Close Cabinet Hinges, designed to bring peace and quiet to your home. Enjoy the premium performance of slow-closing hinges without the high cost. These hinges are specifically designed for 1-2-inch overlay face frame cabinets. Upgrading your framed cabinets is now fast and frustration-free, ensuring a perfect fit for your project. Installation is a breeze with pre-drilled holes and 3-way adjustability. You can achieve a straight, flush cabinet door alignment that looks professionally done in just minutes. Transform your cabinets with their modern, concealed design. These hidden hinges instantly upgrade your space, giving it a sleek and contemporary look. Crafted from stainless steel, they are built to last, tested for over 50,000 open-close cycles. You can trust in their long-term quiet performance, backed by our satisfaction guarantee. What we like. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality, this is it. It offers a clean, concealed look and is built to last with stainless steel construction. You should consider this if you want a professional finish without breaking the bank. What people say. Install is a breeze. The adjustability really let me dial in the alignment between doors, which is a nice feature as well. Very easy to install and replace old hinges. 4 is exact. The soft close function is very smooth. These hinges have been awesome. Fit on all kitchen doors. I have not replaced one yet in a full house with heavy use. Easy to install, fit nicely and greatly improve the noise and feel of the kitchen. Number 4. Ravinte 60-pack Soft Close Cabinet Hinges. Upgrade your kitchen cabinets with our premium soft close hinges. Designed for a seamless and quiet closing experience, they add a touch of elegance to your cabinetry. Experience the difference with our integrated soft close mechanism. It gently guides your cabinet doors to a quiet close, preventing slamming and protecting your cabinets. Installation is a breeze with our 3-way adjustable design. Easily align your cabinet doors for a perfect fit and smooth operation, ensuring they look and function flawlessly. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with a satin nickel finish, these hinges are built to last. They are designed for heavy-duty use and have been rigorously tested for durability. Everything you need is included in the package. You'll receive 60 hinges, 120 plastic dowels, and 60 mounting screws for a hassle-free installation. With a cup diameter of 35 mm and a 105-degree opening angle, these concealed hinges are designed for a precise fit. The screw hole distance is 45 mm, ensuring compatibility with most cabinet doors. What we like. For those tackling a larger project or wanting extra peace of mind, this pack of 60 hinges is ideal. It includes all necessary hardware for a smooth installation. If you have many cabinets to upgrade or prefer to have spares on hand, this is a great value choice. What people say. These were laid out identically to the existing hinges on all my cabinets, so that made the job much faster. Soft close works very well. Soft close works well and is silent. Number 3. Soft Close Cabinet Door Hinges. Introducing our premium soft close cabinet door hinges, designed to bring a touch of modern convenience to your kitchen. Experience smooth, quiet operation every time you open or close your cabinet doors. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with a nickel-plated finish, these hinges are built to last. Enjoy long-lasting durability and a sleek look that complements any cabinet style. Whether you have face frame or frameless cabinets, these concealed hinges are the ideal solution. They are designed for a 1-2-inch partial overlay, ensuring a perfect fit for your specific needs. Installation is a breeze with the included mounting screws and clear instructions. Plus, with 6-way adjustability, you can achieve perfect leveling with ease. The integrated soft close dampening system prevents doors from slamming shut, creating a quieter and more peaceful kitchen environment. Enjoy the gentle closing action that protects your cabinets. We stand behind the quality of our products. If you're not completely satisfied, please reach out to us, and we'll make it right. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. If precise alignment and flexibility are your top priorities, this hinge is a strong contender. Its 6-way adjustability makes fine-tuning door placement incredibly easy. You should choose this if you're aiming for a perfectly seamless look on both face frame and frameless cabinets. What people say. These hinges fit perfectly. I didn't have to re-drill or remount anything, they were plug and play so to speak. Adjustments work great, and I love the self-closing feature. Some of the other self-closing hinges I looked at had plastic pistons and other internal parts, but these are all metal and look like they'll stand the test of time. They come with all the needed screws, instruction sheet and even a set of rubber door bumpers if needed. Perfect size to replace my old hinges, the soft close is awesome, no more slamming doors. Functional and stable hinges. Easy to install, worked perfectly for my cabinets. We'll be ordering again to replace more hinges around the house. Number 2. Lancher Easy Installation Cabinet Door Hinges. Tired of complicated installations? Introducing our revolutionary hinges, designed for a seamless, drill-free experience. Upgrade your cabinets with ease. Anyone can install these hinges with just a screwdriver. Follow our clear instructions, and enjoy a perfect fit every time. Check the second image for a visual guide. Crafted from solid cold-rolled steel with a protective zinc plating, these hinges are built to last. Experience durability you can rely on. These non-mortise concealed 90-degree spring hinges offer a sleek, integrated look. They are ideal for drawers, windows, and cupboards. Each pack includes 4 hinges and 32 reinforced stainless steel screws. We ensure you have everything needed for a smooth setup. Enjoy peace of mind with our 5-year warranty. We stand by the quality of our product and are here to assist if any parts are missing. What we like. For the ultimate DIYer who wants the simplest installation possible, this hinge is perfect. It requires no drilling and is designed for quick, hassle-free mounting. If you're new to cabinet hardware or want to complete your project in record time, this is the one for you. What people say. This product is great and it's the small things that always seal the deal. Talking about the fact that they provide more screws than needs shows that they understand the process where screws can get shredded or lost. When they are installed, the hinges open and close easily, no force needs to be used. They're well built and work perfectly with IKEA cabinets. Number 1. Berta 4-pack Inset Frameless Soft Close Hinges. Introducing our 4-pack of Inset Frameless Hinges. They offer a 110-degree opening angle and 3D adjustability for a perfect fit. Installation is quick and easy thanks to the clip-on design and 3-way adjustments. You can even adjust the door height after mounting. Enjoy a quiet environment with the built-in soft close damper. This feature ensures a smooth, self-closing motion every time. Made from cold-rolled steel with a nickel-plated finish, these hinges are built to last and are ideal for modern kitchen, bathroom, and closet cabinets. Each set comes with the necessary mounting screws, making your cabinet project smooth and hassle-free. These concealed European hinges are perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and professional contractors looking for quality and convenience. What we like. If you have modern, frameless cabinets and want a sleek, European-style installation, look no further. The clip-on feature and 3D adjustability make for a very efficient and precise setup. You should consider this if you appreciate advanced features for a clean, high-end finish. What people say. The soft close works really well and I've had not serious problems adjusting them. All the adjustment screws work perfectly. I got it on and lined the door up through trial and error, just trying the different adjuster screws. Easy peasy. Soft closing hinge works well, easy to adjust with a reasonable amount of flexibility, came with screws. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.